Book 106, The Secret Life of Water. You might think you know water pretty well, but did you know that it has a fascinating secret?
Yeah.
Water does something that no other liquid does. It shrinks as it gets colder until it reaches a temperature of around 4 degrees Celsius. But then something strange happens. It starts to expand again. This peculiar behavior has puzzled scientists for a long time, and now new research suggests that water might be hiding another secret. Scientists have been studying the properties of water for centuries, but it's only recently that they've discovered that water might actually be a mixture of 2 different liquids. Yes, you read that right? 2 different liquids that are mixed together to create the water we drink, swim in, and use every day. The researchers used advanced computer simulations to study the behavior of water molecules at different temperatures. They found that at certain temperatures, the molecules start to behave like 2 different liquids, each with its own unique properties. This could explain why water does some pretty weird things like shrinking and then expanding as it gets colder. But why is this important? Well, understanding the properties of water is crucial for all sorts of applications, from designing more efficient cooling systems to understanding the behavior of living systems. And if water is actually a mixture of 2 liquids, it could change the way we think about all sorts of scientific problems. So what exactly are these 2 liquids that make up water? The scientists aren't entirely sure yet, but they think that one of the liquids might be a more normal liquid with molecules that behave in a predictable way. The other liquid, however, seems to have some very strange properties indeed. The researchers continue to study this phenomenon. They're also looking at other liquids that exhibit similar behavior. It turns out that water isn't the only liquid that shrinks and then expands as it gets colder. Some other liquids, like silicon and germanium, do the same thing. These liquids are all examples of what scientists call anomalous liquids. They don't behave like normal liquids, and they have some very strange properties indeed. By studying these liquids, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of the underlying physics that governs their behavior. One of the most interesting things about these anomalous liquids is that they might have some very practical applications. For example, scientists think that they could be used to create more efficient cooling systems or even to develop new types of materials. As the research continues, scientists are excited to learn more about the secret life of water and its anomalous friends. Who knows what other secrets these liquids might be hiding? For now, it's clear that water is more than just a simple liquid. It's a complex and fascinating substance that still has many secrets to reveal. As scientists continue to study its behavior, they might just uncover some new and exciting applications for this amazing liquid.